Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is the Gaming Guy, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of some Grails with my brother. Don't show an address. There's not, you don't lift it up just to show the address. Like.
So we live, come from us.
So today we're going to be unboxing some Grails that he's had arrive, and yeah, you can hold it up that way. But yeah, let's just get straight into this. Don't show any addresses. Like literally. It's not, the point is not to show where you live, and then you just turned it round to show where we live. Alright.
So what we're doing, you're unboxing everything. I've ordered all this stuff for myself. You've got no idea what I bought.
Yeah, I know that.
And you can open it and see what I bought.
What do I start off
Start with that, then that, then that. No, that.
So that's the best clue.
That's probably the best.
Grail. Should I rip this open? Does it not matter?
None of them matter, you can rip them open.
No, they do matter, just not like the packaging, I mean. Because that's just taped off. Okay. Neoprene. Bit
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? That's not an 8 out of 10.
It's a bit uncomfortable.
I don't know. You compare it to mine.
It should be fine. Put it on.
I'm not putting it
It
on.
hurts your nose. Surely they'll not take your face.
You bought a fufu?
20 quid.
It's fufu.
It can't be. It was a steal.
That S looks off.
We'll see, we'll compare it to yours. That's the only thing that could be. But no, okay.
This there?
Yeah, this was a steal.
This was a steal. What is it with people wrapping in black bags? Like, oh, you bought it again?
What?
It's the bloody thingy hoodie that you already got rid of. That's a dope hoodie. What is steel?
What?
Gee.
That's not that bad.
What?
£100.
In what condition did he say?
There's a few marks.
Look at this, what's these?
No, that's fine.
That's nice.
I bought that to sell.
Do you?
Oh, it's later.
Shut up.
What shit?
It's fine.
Oh!
Just hold it. It'll be fine. Alright, I'll get scissors. It's meant to be a Grail as well. What's you ordered? Oh. Dude.
That's pristine. Holy shit.
That's good. It's different to your other one that you had, isn't it?
The other one I was like 4 out of 10. That's wicked.
That is cool. Someone listed one today. What did you pay? What did you pay? Because someone listed one today.
What did I pay?
Oh, gee. No, that's cool.
231. What's it worth?
Someone listed one today for 249.
Okay, that's right.
Like, what's that tape called? You master, it's not with masking tape. Nothing but... He's used his DHL packaging. Oh, are they the, no, it's the full thing. You bought it back, or did you, yeah.
Bought again, another one.
Bought another one. Another one.
It should be dead stock with tags.
Really? Oh yeah, it is. Well, with tag.
The dead stock with tag.
Dead stock with tag.
I had to get it back.
Yeah.
Obviously, my last one had the rip.
Yeah, no.
Brand new.
Yeah. What did you pay for it?
380.
Really?
On eBay, this, yeah, dead stock. Make sure it's legit.
You do that, I'll stock exit. What size? Large?
Medium.
Last selling medium was 3 months ago, which was $730.
Well, I paid 380 quid.
So yeah, that's like 600 ones up for.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Good price anyway.
Focus. 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 No, there you go. So, shit. You love picking things up, don't you?
The mask, the Arabic mask, and the hoodies to sell on, but these two, that one and that, I'll keep.
Yeah.
Damn!
Oh. That's it. Nice one. That stain is nasty. Where was that
on the arm?
Oh, that is nasty. That is literally grim.
He said it's got a few marks.
A few?
Oh, you can't really see. Oh,
Daniel, you can see it. Look at that. Alright,
cool.
So he picked up neoprene face Arabic
Yeah, I
face
need to make
mask
sure it's
for.
legit because I got that for 20 quid.
20 quid. The little tag just doesn't look right, and he says it fits. How's it fit? Oh, bloody hell!
It's tight, isn't it?
Yeah, that tag just doesn't look right.
No, look, the others look like that.
That looks more central. You need to check if it's real or not.
It should be. Who's gonna make a fake of that?
Most people. Then a Harold Hunter CDG hoodie.
Like, he wanted £100 on make an offer. Offered him 60 quid, but I couldn't wait. I just had to buy it.
With a lot of stains on it, but after a wash it should be alright. Dan, it's not going to focus.
Fuck it.
Then picked up, what is it even called? The flags? Is it just the flags?
Flags deck.
Flag Supreme skateboard deck in really good condition.
Yeah.
For 231. 231. And the last piece is extremely decent headstock. Olive Steep Tech, which he sold before, still with the tag on.
Which I sold before.
You've already sold one, or you sold yours before then, that you already had?
I sold one before. Because it had a massive flaw in it.
Well, yeah, because you climbed over a fence while trying to play tennis and you ripped a hole in it. But yeah.
I've got that for 380.
Yeah, that is good. With the tags on, yeah. 380.
There we go.
So there we go. Anyway, that's going to bring this video to an end. If you enjoyed, like me, much appreciated. Comment down below if you'd like to, and subscribe as well. I'll see you all next time. You're so cringy doing that. See you all next time. Peace. You're so bent.
That was for what?